Welcome to Just Start. This weekend we're staying at Aldgate Creek Cottage Bed and Breakfast in the Adelaide Hills. We're going to show you around the cottage and take you with us on this journey in the Adelaide Hills this weekend. So stay tuned. So we've stayed here, this will be the fourth time that we've stayed here because it's that much, we enjoy it that much, we do it on a yearly basis. It was the place I was meant to come the weekend that I contracted COVID, which I did mention in that video. But this time we're staying for 3 nights, which usually we only stay for 2 nights, so it's going to be really cool. Come with me, I'll give you a bit of a tour now. So behind me we've got a running creek that goes through Aldgate. I will show you in some B-roll. It's a bit wet out here this morning, so give you a bit of a walk around. And then we come inside. So you come through some beautiful French doors, greeted with a gorgeous sort of a lounge area. Got an ethanol, eco-friendly fire pit over there, which is very, very welcome up here because Aldgate gets very cold. Split system up there as well, and a ceiling fan, so you really get toasty warm in here. Got these little cute little windows that look out to the creek, very sort of a Hampton style, I guess. That's my favourite chair there, which I sit on every time. Sort of like a farm style kitchen, if you will. Dining table, bathroom through there. And then you've got this loft space, which is really cool. So you go up to the stairs, obviously. Yeah, so you got a nice bed, again windows that sort of overlook a beautiful part of Aldgate. You go down. So if you're scared of heights, don't stay here. And then a bit of a balcony out here as well. But this definitely is my favourite B&B I've ever stayed at, and we have stayed at a few. It's rated 9.9 on booking.com. I gave this place the perfect review. I can't fault the place, so I've had that many enjoyable experiences here. Today we're going to go around the Adelaide Hills and go to a few places that Kaz would like to go to, and we're going to take you with us, of course, and show you around. But thought I would recommend Aldgate Creek Cottage Bed and Breakfast if you're up in the Adelaide Hills. So we started our morning off at Red Cacao in Stirling, which is only a very short drive from Aldgate where we're staying. Beautiful experience at Red Cacao. Every time we go there, the customer service is top shelf. Oh yes, and a big shout out to the owner Marcus, who also actually served us this morning, which was really nice. So you do a great job if you're watching. So that was Howard Vineyard. Was pleasantly surprised when we walked in there because as you know, I don't drink, but Kaz wanted to have a bit of a tasting. They went to a lot of effort to find, they wheeled a barrel inside and set us up. So a big shout out to Thomas, who works for Howard Vineyard, and all the effort he went to. But really nice, and Kaz bought herself a little bottle of wine. Yeah, we have a first on Just Start. For the first time in a vlog, I have pretty much done no B-roll myself. Kaz has started to master the art of B-roll, so most of the stuff you're seeing in this vlog was actually filmed by Kaz, which is just absolutely amazing. So a big shout out to my dear wife, who is now driving. Anyway, we're going to continue on through the hills, and it's been an absolute pleasure to take you guys with us. Well, I hope you enjoyed this vlog up here in the Adelaide Hills with us. If you are heading up this way, I would recommend this place above any, the Aldgate Creek Cottage B&B. I'll leave a link in the description, all those details. We will see you very soon on Just That. Take care. Bye-bye.